1, so 2 into minus 1 is minus 2j. So this at nebula f at point 1 pi by 2 is minus 2j. Now the direction of v is, that means v cap equal to vector v divided by its determinant v, its distance v, not determinant. So its v is 3i minus 4j, and its square root of 9 plus 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25, and square root is pi. So 3 by pi I minus 4 by pi j. Therefore direction derivative of f is nebula f at point 1 pi by 2 dot v cap. So this value is minus 2 j, and v cap is 3 by pi I minus 5 by pi 4 by pi j. Now we know that if unit vector is another not same, then its dot product is 0, and same, then dot product is 1. So j dot j is 1, but I dot j is 0. So this multiplication, dot product multiplication is 0, and j dot j is 1, and this minus minus plus 2. So answer is 8 by 5, and this is derivative of f. Now another question, next question is question number 6c2. Use matrix multiplication to find the image of the vector, this vector, if it's rotate minus 45 degree about the y-axis. Now to first write standard matrix rotation about the y-axis of any transformation. So standard matrix of rotate R3 vector around the y-axis with angle theta. So this is a standard matrix: cos theta 0, sin theta 0, 1 0, minus sin theta 0, cos theta, and our theta is minus 45. So substitute here, theta is minus 45 degree, so minus 45, and then all theta is minus 45 degree. Now we know that cos is even function, so minus cos minus is cos, and sin minus is minus. So here answer is 1 upon root 2, and sin cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, and sin 45 is also 1 upon root 5, 1 upon root 2. So we get this matrix, standard matrix 1 upon root 2, 0, minus 1 upon root 2, 0, 1 0, 1 upon root 2, 0, and 1 upon root 2. So the image vector minus 1 2 is multiply this standard matrix with this vector, that means write in column matrix and then multiplication. So we get answer is minus 2 root 2 1 0, and this is last answer. Okay, so now next question number 7a. Verify Stokes theorem for the hemisphere S, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9, and this is the radius of hemisphere where z is positive. It's a bounding circle, that means this circle equation x square plus y square equal to 9, where radius is 3 and z is 0, and the field is given that yi minus xj. Now we know that Stokes theorem is double integration of surface S nebula cross f dot product n cap ds equal to contour integration c f dot dr. One by one find all expression. First find nebula cross f. So we know that cross product is determinant of I j k this nebula, so del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, and field is y I, so y here minus x, and k coefficient is 0, so it's a 0. Solve this determinant. So we get 0 into I, because this is 0, 0 into this 0. Now this minus x with respect to z partial derivative, but x here not z, so x is constant, so its derivative is 0, so 0i. Similarly for j, so it's a 0. Now last del by del x of minus x, so answer is minus 1, and minus with respect to y derivative with respect to y, so its answer is also 1, so minus 1 into k. so its addition is minus 2k, so equal to minus 2k. That means this expression answer is minus 2k. Now we find n cap d and then ds and then f dot dr. So for n cap, let phi is given surface x square plus y square plus z square. Now nebula phi, so 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk, and its distance is 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square. Now this addition is for common x square plus y square plus z square. Now we know that this x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9. So 4 plus 9 is 36. So here 6. Now here in numerator 2 is common and cancel from denominator. So we get last xi plus yj plus zk divided by 3 is our unit vector n cap. Now here given that c is x square plus y square equal to 9 and z is 0. Now ds is dx dy divided by n cap dot k, and already find n cap is this xi plus yi plus zk divided by 3. So its distance is z and 3 is here, so 3 dx dy with dot product k, so k into zk is z, so its distance is z, so ds is 3 dx dy z. Now therefore double integration nebula cross f dot n cap ds is this one. Substitute all expression answer, so minus 2k, this n cap is this one, and ds is 3 dx dy z. Now first dot product of this two vector, so k into this k is 1 and remaining x in I into k is 0, j into k is 0, so we get minus 2 by 3 of this dot product, but here 3, so 3 cancel, so we get minus 2 dx dy, and here z is remaining, so z cancel, so lastly we get minus 2 dx dy. Now s is depend on circle x square plus y square equal to 9. So for to find this double integration, apply vertical strip to solve this expression. So this equal to minus 2 is common. Now from region of circle, so apply vertical strip, so we get limit of variable y is minus square root of 9x square to square root of 9 x square, and variable y limit of integration is minus 3 to 3. Now solve this double integration first with respect to y integration. So this integration is y and upper minus lower limit, so apply fundamental, so upper minus lower limit is 2 times of square root of 9 minus x square. Now another integration with respect to x. To solve this equation, by take x equal to 3 sin t, 3 sin theta. Substitute here 3 sin theta and change limit by taking x equal to minus 3 in this form, so we get theta is minus pi by 2. Similarly substitute x equal to 3, so we get theta is pi by 2. That means our limit is change in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and dx is 3 cos theta d theta. Substitute all expression in this form, so we get in this form equal to minus 4 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 integration in bracket square root of 9 minus 9 sin square theta, and dx is 3 cos theta d theta. Here 9 is common, so we get 1 minus sin square. We know that 1 minus sin square is cos square theta, and its square root is cos theta. So and here cos theta, so cos square theta, and this 3 into minus 4 and this 3, so we get minus 72 and cos square theta d theta. And here apply another rules is even function, because here cos square is even function, so here 2 times 0 to pi by 2 limit, so this answer is minus 72. Now cos square, we know that trigonometric formula of cos square is 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. This is a cos square theta equal to this form of trigonometric form. So now integrate with respect to theta of this expression. So we get minus 36 divided by 2 to 72. So we get 36. So theta plus sine 2 theta by 2. Apply fundamental theorem. So pi by 2. Here sine 2 pi by 2. So 2 cancel. So here sine pi is 0. So this term is 0. Now 0 and sine 0 is 0. So we get lastly from this its answer is pi by 2. Now multiply with minus 36. So last answer is minus 18 by 18 into pi. This is the first equation, give number 1. Now another side. So here the boundary given is C of the hemisphere S is the circle. This is our circle x square plus y square. Here typing here 9 not 3 here, in xy plane where z is 0. Now therefore f dot dr, that means dot product of f and dr is y dx minus x dy, because f is given that y I minus xj and dr is dxi plus dyj. So j dot j is 1 and x I dot I is 1. So we get y dx minus x dy. Now using contour integration of f dr, so contour integration c f dot dr is contour integration c y dx minus x dy. By parametric equation of circle x square plus y square equal to 9 is x is 3 cos theta, because here this radius is 3, so 3 cos theta and y is 3 sin theta. Therefore dx is minus 3 sin theta d theta and dy is 3 cos theta dy, and parameter limit of integration is 0 to 2 pi. So substitute all value. So therefore 0 to 2 pi 3 sin theta minus 3 sin theta d theta minus 3 cos theta d theta. So solving this expression, so we get minus 9 0 to 2 pi 1 d theta. Solve this, so we get minus 18 pi, and this is number 2 from 1 and 2, and this both are same. So and therefore our given theorem is satisfied. Now question number 7 b1. Here consider the basis S equal to v1 v2 v3 for R3. v1 is given this one vector, v2 v3. Let T is R3 to R2 be a linear transformation such that Tv1 equal to 1 0, Tv2 equal to minus 1 1, Tv3 equal to 0 1. Then find the formula for T x1 x2 x3 and use that to find formula to find this T 7 13 7. So first we find T x1 x2 x3. So let this x1 x2 x3 equal to k1 into v1 vector, k2 into v2 vector, and k3 into v3 vector. This k1 k2 k3 all are scalar. Now substitute all value v1 v2 and v3. So we get this form k1 k2. Now compare this and this expression. So we get this one k1 plus 2 k2 plus 3 k3 equal to x1, and similarly second and third equation. By using Gauss elimination method to solve this non-homogeneous equation system of equation, so apply augmented matrix. So this is our augmented matrix of this system. Solve by using row operation. So this all are row operation are, and then we get this answer by using back substitution. We get k3 is this expression, k2 is this expression, and k1 is this one by solving our method and substitute in this one. So now T x1 x2 x3, therefore k1 is tv1 and all k2 is tv2 plus k3 is tv3. Substitute here k1 and tv1, k2 and tv2, similarly k3 and tv3, and then simplify. So we get T x1 x2 x3 equal to this first element and this second. So this is our formula for T x1 x2 and x3. Now to find 7 13 7, we substitute x1 is 7, x2 is 13 and x3 is 7. So here x1 is 7, substitute all value x1, x2, x3. So we get last answer is minus 2 by 3, and this is solution of our example. Okay, and thank you.